This is the hottest product going into Q4. It's charcuterie boards and cutting boards. And if you're not selling these items, you are losing out on so much money. Now, back in the day, this used to be a manual process. You had to have space, you had to have an engraver, not to mention a lot of money and time. But now with Printify, they do it all for you. And the crazy part about it is the quality is seriously insane. Now I'm about to show these products in just a minute, but back in the day when POD first started this and it wasn't Printify, honestly, the stuff used to look like that. It barely etched the surface, and that's because they used cheap machines, which a lot of people out there use even today. But the engraving on both of these is insane. So before I even show you how much money you can make with this product, how to design it, and how to create amazing mock-ups, I just want to show you the quality first. So the first one I'm going to show you is this paddle. And I mean, this thing is beefy. You could beat the crap out of somebody with this thing. I'm just going to show really quick on the camera. You could see how nice and deep it is, which honestly is insane. Plus, I mean, it's got some weight to it. And that's what you really want, especially in a cutting board. Make sure I'm not gonna hit anything when Now the next one is this little keepsake. This is a 9x12. It has a little handle in it, not as heavy. Probably can't beat somebody with it. But the engraving, again, nice and deep. Just to show you really quick, you can see how beautiful that is. Nice, clean lines. I mean, just amazing. Okay, next, charcuterie boards. You have this one here, which is the bigger one, and then you have this little guy right here. Now, I'm just gonna remove these because when I flip this up, I don't wanna stab myself. So, as you see, this one's the circular one, and then I have a square one right here. Now, this one has a W on it, and that's because it's a gift for my wife's grandmother, which she actually already used, and I had to take it back, so that's why there's a little bit of markings on it. And honestly, she loved it, which, I mean, if you have Granny's approval, you're pretty good. Now, just to pop this out here so you can see the quality of this, this is a complete stone, and again, nice, etched look. Not to mention, you have these little rubber pieces on the back, so it doesn't move all over the place, especially when you're cutting. And the size of these things, pretty good. You can pack a lot of cheese on there. Now, I'm not gonna throw these like the other ones, so just give me a minute for me to move them out.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so now that I'm back, I mean, the quality, like I said, is insane. So let's jump online so that I could show you how much money these make, what type of designs to create for them, and how to create unbelievable mock-ups. I mean, mock-ups that can sell these for hundreds of dollars. So let's get into this. So the first thing is, I'm gonna show you the insane amounts of money that this thing is making. And for this, I'm gonna be using ProfitTree, which a lot of my community members actually use. And they told me to download it. See, the big thing here is it's packed with tons of information, which is insane. Not to mention, what makes it more crazy is that it comes at a $67 price tag, and you only have to pay that once. It's a lifetime deal. So, just to show you how much this thing is making here, you have this one personalized bamboo cutting board, $22,000 a month. The shop so far, or actually just that one item, the shop actually has made $10 million. The one item has made $3.4 million to date. And yes, that's in just 3 years. And if you do the math and you actually go through all the reviews, this is pretty accurate. Now the next one here, it's 15,577, which, I mean, from this little picture right here, it looks pretty familiar. So let me just open that and look. What is that one? That big heavy one, which, by the way, I have another one right here, just in case if somebody walks in, I can hit them with it. I know, I'm a little crazy, but this thing has some weight to it, like I said. Now this thing right here, just going through the stats. Monthly revenue, $16,000. Total revenue, $1.82 million. And that's all in 5 years. And if you go through the pictures here, they're not doing anything crazy. This is just a W. This one right here, just a name and a little leaf. And again, a name. Pretty much anything you can put on this one, you can put on that one. Now just checking out all of them for you, right? Going through here, you can see again, just having a name right there, $18,000 each and every single month. This one, the big dog, $22,000 a month, and it just has a name in the side. This is the one I showed earlier, which is, that's why it's popping up. And that one, you don't really want to go that route. So scrolling down a little bit more, you could see, again, just a little bit of leaves around there and a letter. That one's bringing in $5,000 a month. This one over here is actually a glass charcuterie board, which also Printify does have as well. So if you wanted to have wooden ones, you could sell those, and you can also sell glass. You have multiple options. But for this video, we're only talking about the wooden ones. Now, going down a little bit further here, again, name, right? So on and so forth. Now, let's go to this big dog here, right? And go to their store. When you're in their store, you see that they only have 11 items. And this is one of the shops that I talked about in the first few videos I made, talking about that you don't need to have this massive shop with thousands of items. You just need to know who your audience is. And in this case, it's people that want keepsake items. So they're selling them as gift givers, right? So people that want to give them as wedding gifts or birthday gifts, or maybe they want to buy it for themselves as a keepsake item. But either way, if you notice, you have things like this, mom, and you can even probably do one for grandma. And then it has all their kids, right? The grill father, again, that hits Father's Day. And then also all the names here and there, which would be for weddings. Now, in addition to that, it's interesting that they have one for Texas, which means a lot of their customers probably come from Texas. So right off the bat, I know that if I wanted to do some advertisements, that's where I'm targeting. So now that we know how much this makes, and even going back in the ProfitTree here, just to look at it a little bit more, if we notice the conversion rate is 11%. They're probably running ads too, so 11% is insane. So that's how you know this is a hot item. The average order value says it's about $35, which if you go through the actual reviews, it's actually higher at about $55, $65. But I do appreciate that they actually went lower and didn't over exaggerate the amount of money. The average rating, 4.97, total reviews, 26,000, and then favorites, 40,000, Etsy pick, and gifts for the couple. Again, like I said, it's targeting weddings. So now that we have a good understanding on how much money this thing makes, we obviously want to create a design. Right? Now, I've already created my design, that little M logo, and you can do anything you want inside Kittl or Canva. It's completely up to you. Now, the thing here is because this is an early access item, the charcuterie boards, as well as most of these cutting boards, there is no mockups. And I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So when you're in Printify, all you're going to do is just type in charcuterie board and it pops up. And as I said earlier, it's an early access item. So what do I mean by that? Now, once you start creating this and you put your design on there, you don't have any mockups. So that's why I said I'm going to teach you how to create a mockup for this. Now, really quick, just to show you what I mean, I'm going to upload my design. Here's my little design right there. And then if I click preview, as you see, no pre-made mockups. So the only mockups we have are things like this. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to take this and you're going to download this image, okay? Then the next thing you're going to do is hop on Gemini. Then you're going to upload your image, so that mockup that we just downloaded, as well as the design that you want on there. You just click this button and then upload files. Then all you're going to say is, I want my logo, the M design, on this charcuterie board. Replace the part that says, make it your way with the design attached, and then hit enter. And there you go. Within just a couple seconds, it's already on there. Now, once you're happy with it, just click save. And then the next step is to jump into Midjourney. So the reason you want to use Midjourney for those real life photos is because it's unmatched currently. Now we're going to jump back onto Gemini in just a minute and use Nano Banana to add the charcuterie board in. But for right now, you use Midjourney for that overall mockup. And in this case, I used this here, and you don't have to worry about copying this. I actually have this for you in my online community, Etsy Mentor. Check it out. Go to the freebie section and download it. Or you could just pause the video and hand type it. It's completely up to you. But pretty much what I was looking for is that luxury feel and an aerial view. So I wanted a condo or a nice house with marble countertops. I wanted something to scream money because I want to be able to get the most amount of cash that I can for these charcuterie and cutting boards. So in order to do that, I need to display it in a way that's going to speak volume. So in this case, I actually produced quite a bit, as you can see. Now, one that I love is this one. This is a condo. You have 2 stories, the lights coming in. You could see this beautiful marble countertop, the nice brass finishes here. And obviously right there you have a cutting board. Now in this case, all you got to do is just download this. And like I said, we're going to jump back into Nano Banana so we can add our charcuterie board to this image. So once we're in here, opening up a new chat, we're just going to upload those images. I have both of them here, and all I'm going to do is type in a simple prompt. Replace the cutting board in the picture on the marble countertop with the one attached. That's it. A simple prompt just like that. And within seconds, here it is. We have our M logo on the charcuterie board. It even brought some cheese in there. We can have the cheese removed if we really want and just show the board, but mess with it. It's completely up to you. You can even have people standing around it if you want. But how easy was that? Not to mention, look at the quality, look at the beautiful look of this versus something that would just have a white background or something shitty that you'd probably take with your own cell phone or camera. This is how you're able to charge more money, by creating luxury feels like this. And that right there is how you sell these items for Q4. How much money you can make, the quality being unmatched, and the mock-ups. Put all 3 together and you're set. And you can have these launched within 1 day. That's the power of POD with Printify, Nano Banana, and Midjourney. So if I were you, I would hurry up because the time is ticking. And if you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. You know I love to hear from you. And thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.